Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Firefighter Stair climb day, Columbia Tower, 69 floors. See how I do? I'm heading down right now, so it's going to be a fun and horrible day all at the same time. So come along, let's get this done. I think this is my 4th or 5th year that I've actually done the climb. So basically full-on bunker gear, SCBA, our air packs, on air, everything, all up 69 floors for the tallest building in Seattle. Not the most fun, but raises money for blood cancers, and it's kind of funny, the gear we're wearing has PFAS in it, which they've now proven causes cancer. So we go and do this thing to fight cancer while we also realize the gear we're wearing is giving us cancer. So there's some stuff that they're fighting for firefighters to try and move forward and getting away from some of this gear that's causing issues, but stateside it has not happened. I guess parts of Europe, they've gone away from some of this gear. But you know, that's the thing, is you're exposed to stuff in every job. Ours is PFAS and all sorts of chemicals and dangers from calls that we go on and things like that. But anyhow, this one is mostly about raising money for a good cause in our gear, all 69 floors, on air, pretty miserable. But a cool experience to do. Every year that I do it, I'm like, why am I doing this again? But I look forward to it. It's, you get done, you feel good. So we'll get down to Seattle, check everything out a little bit, and then 2:30, that's our climb time today. So I got about 2 hours until I climb, so I got to get down there pretty quick. So get down to Seattle, and we'll check everything out. Let's get into it. There she is on our, right there. That is where we're headed. A bunch of people have already finished for the day. Let's see what we can find for parking. Now fun begins, finding parking. Garage. Welcome to Columbia Center. Kind of amazed to find parking in here, honestly.
No, we're good. All right. Battalion 40,
right. Now or never.
I guess I should look presentable.
Don't, they're gonna try and dump water on you. Okay, don't take it.
Take the water.
I will take the water and enjoy it.
5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Entering the escalators. Let's do this. Let's go. Thank you all so much. All right,
Every time my throat starts getting dry.
Oh, good catch.
That'll go away as you start climbing.
Not this year, though.
No?
yes, you gotta have a space. Guys, hard part's over.
You sure you just say the hard part is over? I don't know about that.
Hello.
Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good. How are you?
We're starting.
3, 2, 1, go.
All right, let's see how this goes. We got a lot of stairs to go. 69 floors. It's gonna be a long day. But short.
last flight. There we go. Nice work.
Come on, Frank, you got this. Let's go. You did it! Well done! There's your finish line. Well done.
Nice job, nice job, nice job. This way, this way. Nice job. I'll get him up.
How you feeling?
Horrible.
Horrible.
Good job.
What's that? I ran out of air at like...
We're done.
Twice, first time. Nope.
I saw Rob.
Yeah, he was like 2 times ahead of me.
Great work.
I'm glad that's over. It's time to get home. Maybe have a beer. Perfect. Have a good one. I am so glad to be done. Whew.
Please do not get in my way. You cannot drop in my lane. Tires is burning the paint. You don't have nothing to say. This is how legends are made. I know I got what it takes. And I'm not popping the brakes. And I'm not popping the brakes. I'm too competitive. I like the narrative. I don't know best in the league. Who you comparing with? That isn't competitive. Top of the throne, it is me. How you moving slow on the speed? I just been bringing the heat. I just been bringing the fire. Bringing the fire. I just been bringing the. And they can't stop me. They know that I'm bringing the. I got the fuel in my veins. Trust me, I'm making a name. We are not one and the same. I am on top of the game. I cut out the line on my brakes, and that's why the drive is insane. Heart of a champ, adrenaline rushes is numbing the pain. I'm too competitive, I like the narrative. I don't know best in the league. Who you comparing with? That isn't competitive. Top of the throne, it is me. How you moving slow on the speed? I just been bringing the heat. I just been bringing the fire. Been bringing the fire. I just been bringing the fire. And they can't stop me. They know that I'm bringing the. They thought I was underdog. I did not fear not one of y'all. They thought I was underdog. I did not fear not one of y'all. They thought I was underdog. I do not fear not one of y'all. They thought I was underdog. I did not fear not one of y'all. I'm too competitive. I like the narrative. I don't know best in the league. Who you comparing with? That isn't competitive. Top of the throne, it is me. How you moving slow on the speed? I just been bringing the heat. I just been bringing the fire. We're bringing the